I'll have the ammo. Alright, we're doing an epic Nerf gun at Josh's birthday. I need to refill my gun. Alright, refill the gun. We've got so many guns. We've got so many bullets. I'm going to shoot him through the window. Oh gosh, this is not all that height. Hey, come on. You got an open window. I can shoot him through it.
Oh, good. Mate, really.
Your gun's here.
Right, you get out here.
Alright, you record me.
Oh no, I'm just coming.
You record me quickly. You grab the camera. Don't stop recording.
Yeah,
right,
let's
open the door.
Oh, Josh is coming.
Oh, Josh. Point the camera on Josh, man.
Oh god. Right, let me just get back.
Thanks for that bullets, dweeb.
Alright, no, right, you get in front, I need to get back.
Right, Sam, you just get out. Just get out.
Right, get out, and let me get in, let me get the stuff. Yo, what's up, peeps? It's me, Icky, in here. Right, alone, by myself.
I'm back.
Right, Sam's back.
Yeah.
We're ready for this war. We're just all ready.
I feel born ready.
Right, Sam, you left the door open!
Here comes Josh.
You dweeb!
Yeah, he's gone.
And that's what I thought.
Right,
Yeah, peeps.
I need to reload my gun. We're at Josh's house because it's his birthday.
And yeah, this is pretty fun. I like it so far. I thought it was going to be a lot more funner. Like loads more people.
Right, well, but it's still got... Where's all the ammo?
I'll put
Elmo, you're in the stupid way.
Alright, come on guys. Right, have we locked ourselves in?
No, I ain't locked us in.
Right, just go.
We need ammo. Right, well, get the camera.
Right, come on.
Get the camera, point it on Archie. He's waiting for us.
Right, wait. Right, peeps.
Here comes Josh with a midget gun. Right.
Oh, it's a triad.
Point it on him.
Whoa. Ah! Oh my god, Sam, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh god.
So did he.
Alright. Poops. What? Alright, Sam, let me get out. Right. Cute pig.
What should I call these guys? I don't know, faggots.
Yes.
Meatballs.
Oh, this is good.
Yo!
Oh no, Josh is coming.
They're infiltrating the base! They're getting in the base! You can't get in! No! They can't do this! Stop! I need help! Yeah, that's what I thought! That is what I thought! Whoa! Sam, look at that! Camera! I don't care! That is what I thought! Whoa! Get away!
That's what I thought, look.
Yeah! Look at the little midget there. I got my gun loaded. Yeah!
Whoa!
Josh is a little scaredy cat and gone away.
Oh, look at the stock I've got my gun. That's sick, man.
You have to pull with two of us.
One and two midgets.
They ran away. Yeah, they ran away. Yeah. We'll do parts to this. This is the first. Should we do parts to this? Like this is the first part.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've done loads of parts. I did one last year.
Yeah, this is like the third. This is the fourth part.
Pretend we're in here and we should hide somewhere.
All right. Bye. We'll see you in the next part.